Yes, I'm playing hot potato with the Mac Mini. Hey, what's up guys? Soldier knows best is. So fresh off of the delivery truck, this is the 2020 Mac Mini, and it's a special Mac Mini because this is one of the first computers that has the new Apple M1 silicon inside of it. So what that means is that Apple controls the kind of the horsepower and the brain power behind their computers now. And so this is launching alongside the MacBook Air and also a MacBook Pro. So I wanted to pick up the Mac Mini, and let me go ahead and start getting inside of this thing. But I wanted to pick up the Mac Mini because I wanted something to use at home, and since I'm not really traveling that much, I'm waiting on the MacBook Air and seeing how long I can wait to see maybe they come out with another version, maybe in the second half of 2021. But for right now, I definitely wanted something to use at home, something that gives me a little bit more extra oomph, extra power, hopefully, versus my like 3 or 4 year old computers that I had Macs around here. But yeah, just look at this thing. It's kind of like a big Apple TV box. But anyway, let me get the lid off here, and it's been some years since I've owned a Mac Mini, so I'm excited to start using this. And boom, there we go. I can go ahead and feel that cold touch that you get with Apple products and their aluminum. And let me set that to the side right now and see what we get on the inside. So we get this little kind of welcome packet with some information here as far as how to use this thing, and we get that really big Apple sticker right there. Boom, boom, boom. We don't need that stuff right now. And then also too, we do get the power cord. Yeah, that is my impatient unboxing there. So yeah, very familiar cord. Feels like the same material that comes with the Apple TV. But now let's take a look at the Mac Mini and get this thing fully undressed here. So we're gonna take this plastic off. And we got this tape right here. Just need to pull this off. Oh, feels so good. And boom, there we go. So we can take a look at the I/O first. And so for the connections, we do have a HDMI 2.0 port. Then you also do have 2 Thunderbolt / USB 4 ports there. And then also you do have 2 USB Type A ports. You have a 3.5mm headphone port there, gigabit Ethernet, and then also the place for the power cord. Now, for the guts of this Mac Mini, all of them will come with the 8-core M1 chip inside of it. So that means that is broken up into an 8-core CPU, and that's broken up into 4 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores. And then you also have an 8-core GPU inside of it, and then a 16-core neural engine. And so the base model of these Mac Minis do come with 8 gigabytes of RAM and also a 256 gigabyte SSD. But I did opt to go with the upgrade to the maximum 16 gigabytes of RAM, and then I went to 512 gigabyte SSD for my particular machine. But you can upgrade the storage all the way up to 2 terabytes if you want to. But again, you need to make those decisions when you buy it because you can't upgrade those things yourself. And just for kicks, here is a size comparison with the Apple TV 4K. I don't know why I'm doing this, but let me just put that to the side. But anyway, yes, the new Mac Mini is here. That's a quick unboxing for you, but I'm going to start setting up this machine, and I'm going to be using it as my main machine here as I do my reviews. So stay tuned to that. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit that notification bell so you'll see when that goes up. And I'm super excited to try this out with the new Big Sur software update for macOS, which is bringing a lot of cool things, and I will be able to use iOS apps on this machine, and it should be able to run Final Cut and all the other kind of Mac apps really well. And then all of your other legacy apps should work well as they start to get optimized for this type of new hardware. But yeah, anyway, if you want to get this, the base version starts at $699, and then you can upgrade from there. But right now I'm about to wrap up and get this thing set up. So thanks for watching this video, and I will catch you later. Peace.